In front of me is iPhone 17a, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select or create a chat. Now when you're ready, use this plus at the top left corner of your keyboard, or if your keyboard is down, at the bottom left corner of your screen. Mine is here though, so when I click, I can see this pop-up. Unfortunately, while testing this device before recording, I discovered that you can't add already existing audio file. But you can create it within Messages app and send it. To do it now, tap on Audio, but be aware that recording will start right away. Record your message, and when you're done, use red button on the right. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Now, if you want to listen to it, use play button. If you decided to extend it, you can click on this plus right next to time of your message. Then extend it, and when you're done, click on red button again. When you're satisfied, you can finally send it thanks to this arrow on the right. Or if you don't want to send it at all, you can discard it thanks to this X on the left. Now, what about adding already existing video file? That we can do. To do it, open the same pop-up and hit Photos. Now, if you see your video here, just click on it to add it. If you don't see it though, don't worry, just scroll down and look for it here. You can look in Photos and Collections section by switching at the top. When you find your video, tap on it and use this checkmark at the top right corner to attach it to your message. If you still can't find it though, don't worry, you can also scroll down and use those tools to look for it. Click on the magnifying glass at the bottom right corner, type in whatever you want to, and click on one of those options. I will go with dog to find video you wanna attach. You can also click on those three dots at the bottom left corner and use one of those, like Sort By or Filter. After finding your video, click on it and attach it thanks to the same checkmark as before. Now, if you want to record your video within Messages app, you can do that too. To do it now, use the same plus icon to access the same pop-up, and this time select camera at the top of it. Then switch from photo to video at the bottom. And most people miss this part, but you can tap on video again to access all of those options. Then you can also use those above the shutter. Click on this icon at the bottom left corner to switch your camera. And use all of those options at the top. If you decided you don't want to record after all, you can close your camera by tapping on this X at the top left corner. I will record though to show you, so I can click on the shutter here, pause or unpause my video thanks to this left button, and then end it and save it by tapping on the shutter again. There are some things we can do after recording within Messages app. first one is the most obvious. If you don't like your recording, just redo it by clicking on retake at the top left corner. You can also tap on edit at the bottom left corner and use all of those options. Now if you decided not to change anything after all, hit cancel at the top left corner and tap on Discard changes. If you want to save them, hit done at the top right one. You can also tap on done at the top right corner to add this video to your message. If you don't want to add it, just send it right away. You can do that too. This time by clicking on this arrow at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!